President Ahmed Bola Tinubu, there are a lot of things involved in this River State matter. And as a friend, I am advising you, if you are not careful, River State will become your albatross, like the ancient marina. That this is the worst government.
Hello, my great and wonderful people. How una day today? I hope all of una day well. Today we get a lot of messages and videos for our table. When we say one quickly the review to you concerning the things when we say it they happen right now for inside this country, Nigeria. Just as you rightly see one from the introduction, I'm Bola Tinubu best friend, Ipadi, and also right-hand man. Asari Tokumbo don't come outside to send a very strong message as a warning to Bola Tinubu. And before we come back to this very message, I know maybe a lot of you will not come across that video. It get one particular reason why it be say we carry this video con this very moment. One user send message across to some people when it be say that they see themselves as Alpha and the Omega. And before we come back to that very video, we get this message when it be say we receive from the former president of this country when it be say in name na Olusegun Obasanjo. Baba Obasanjo don finally come outside say he ready to testify for courts concerning some money when it be say the thought say it they miss some time ago when it be say it amount to about $2.3 billion. And the title of this one thought say alleged 2.3 billion fraud are ready to testify for courts. This one of the message going to be say Olusegun Obasanjo, when he be the former president of this country, Nigeria, sent across to FG when he also mean the federal government of Nigeria. All right, maybe we'll do one or two readings from inside this very one, maybe for understand the full details of this very message before we bring you back the other video. And as we put our hand deep for inside this matter, they can make us understand, say, the former president of this country, Nigeria, when he be say in name na Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, don't come outside publicly to declare his own readiness to testify for court to all Nigerians concerning the former minister of power and steel, when he name na Olu Ogunleye, for the issue when he be say it concern $2.3 billion for Mabila Power contract. And still on top of the matter, the come make us understand, say, Sunrise Power and Nigeria say the day for longer hairs for International Chamber of Commerce, ICC, Paris, France, and the company, they allege for a breach of contract. And still on top of the matter, the contour said the company when they say that they call Sunrise Power, the thought said they award $6 billion contracts to build, operate, and transfer for May 2003 by the government of the former president of this country when it be say named na Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. And as we put our hand deep again, the contour said the company also alleged said the federal government of Nigeria rejects the agreement and they go ahead to ask for compensation of $2.3 billion. The company also further declare or claim, say, they don't already spend millions of dollars for the financial and also legal consultation before the federal government of Nigeria rejects the contract. However, the company, for their own defense, they thought the Nigerian government allege say a lot of fraud and corruption dey for public officers when it be say they award this very contract, which is in another word, the people when it be say they award this contract, a lot of wuru dey for their hand, which is their own record not clear at all. And for us to conclude this matter, the contour said the letter when Ibisi Olusegun Obasanjo sent across to the Attorney General of the Federation and also Minister of Justice when he named Lateef Fagbemi, the counsel to the Nigeria government. The former president of this country, Nigeria, when Ibisi named Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, expressed his own willingness and also readiness to testify on behalf of the Nigerian government in any form at all. All right, my great and wonderful people, this one are the present message you want to be saying with the receive right now from Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, going to be the former president of this country, concerning the contract of about $2.3 billion when the Tosi it concerned the Mabila Power contract. You know, ever since this rumor don't they go around, say na Chief Olusegun Obasanjo na inside NEPA and keep the money for pockets. And the truth of the matter not part be say, nobody really know the truthfulness of this matter and wetin really they involve and wetin really happen. Now, thank God, say Olusegun Obasanjo not send this message across to the media right now. This one and letter when it be say it sent across to the Attorney General of the Federation of this present administration of Bola Tinubu. Say make the call am, make it come testify for court wetin really happen. This man still dey alive, and now if they send this message across right now to the Attorney General of the Federation. If Bola Tinubu know wetin good for the people of Nigerians, even though say una no get the money, make una call this man. Not be una the proban now. Now if they send letter to una, say make una call am in any time and in any day. He ready to testify and tell the whole Nigerians wetin happen. Bola Tinubu call Olusegun Obasanjo in as much as now he bring his own self out to tell Nigerians wetin really happen. At least for once, make una allow Nigerians know the truth of wetin don dey hide for them over the years when everybody dey for darkness. This one na music when e be say e don play over the years. So even the least and the greatest Nigerians say Olusegun Obasanjo send NEPA put the money for pockets. Now the same man they come outside say he want testify in any way at all concerning wetin really happen and the people when be say they involve for this matter. We dey here, we dey wait. May Bola Tinubu and the Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, make it call Olusegun Obasanjo. May Nigerians know wetin really happen. I be my beloved people, when if they listen to me now, una no one know the truth of this matter concerning this NEPA when they say they said that time. As for me, we want know. So I beg Bola Tinubu, do the needful. All right, I will leave you to share your own opinion with us on the comment section. I beg, do us a favor, like this video, share, so that in case Bola Tinubu and the old people go talk say they don't know, may we help them propagate this message until it gets to them. All right, the next message you want to be bring to your own screen now the video when it be say Asari Tokumbo, when it be the right hand man of Bola Tinubu, the Aso Rock rabbits take come outside, send a sound warning message to your own father Bola Tinubu, when it be say it don't sing praises follow ever since. I want make una pay attention to this very message going to be say Asari Tokumbo sent across to Bola Tinubu before we come back to reveal to you the reason why it basically will bring this video to you.
President Bola Tinubu, there are a lot of things involved in this River State matter. And as a friend, I am advising you, if you are not careful, River State will become your albatross, like the ancient mariner. You are going to carry it on your neck. Do you know why? River State have the largest number of Ijaw people. And apart from the Fulanis and the Yorubas to a certain extent, River State people have, the Ijaw people in River State are found everywhere. They are in Gabon in large number, Equatorial Guinea, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, Liberia. They are all on the coast. And the Ijaw people act like one people. You have seen them in Ondo State. You have seen them in Edo State. You have seen them in Delta. They act as one people. They are like the immigrant Fulanis coming from everywhere. When one Ijaw man is hot, Ijaw people, it is very easy to rally Ijaw people. They are one of the easiest people to rally around to come. You only need to say, Ijaw, Kimemia, Emie. Asawana, and they will come. The ethnic card is already in this game. Ijaw sentiment. You saw Ijaw people in Ondo State. You, as governor, you even saw them in Lagos State. For the sake of one man, you are looking for money to implement your programs for this government to succeed. But for a few people, you are ready to throw this away. Why will any reasonable person decide to provoke Ijaw people? Any reasonable person. Are there no advisors? Are they telling you, like Nehru was sitting while Rome burned? He was drinking and celebrating while Rome burned. I might have differences with sin, but I know his own people. I know them. And I'm telling you, when Alamesa came to make peace with you in Lagos, after the crisis, I know Ijaw people. They don't relent. Can you afford that? Because they will come like a tsunami. They don't need anybody. They don't need Sim to give them money. They don't need Sim. Nobody mobilize them with money in Lagos, in Ondo, in Edo, and in Delta. Nobody. The environment provide them with the money and the resources to carry out the activities without blinking their eyes. You don't want to hear this naked truth. Okay, don't hear it. Don't hear it. Ijaw people are already angry that this is the worst government. This government is against Ijaw people, and you want to add fire to petrol? You want to add petrol to fire? This is the worst government. That's the feeling of the Ijaw people. If nobody is telling you, as a friend, I will tell you, Ijaw people feel this is the worst government for them. This is a nightmare for them.
All right, my great and wonderful people, we just need to cut that video short. And we equally want to apologize to you. I know a lot of una no want to see this man again, Asari Tokunbo, for Scream. We not come here to promote Asari Tokunbo. We come here to send message across. Now, the reason why basically we play this video, not say we like Asari Tokunbo, or maybe now, or we they rejoice of anything when they say if they happen. Listen to us. Our people already talk and say any man when they say he stand up to play drum for people to dance, in himself not the exempted for the sound of the say drum when it be say in the beats for others to dance. Waiting with me with that very parable. Asari Tokunbo become a Sorok rabbit. The time when it be say Amebola Tinubu take over office, right? Because before that very time, a lot of money go underground, under the hand, for them to rejoice and manipulate things for Bola Tinubu. He believes in and so things will continue forever. How many months interval now when he be say this man they sing praises of Bola Tinubu na Jagaban ton? Not be Ijaw people ton na. As it be Jagaban ton, it's supposed to equally be Ijaw people's ton, right? Now, the hit when it be say he follow Jagaban ton, na in una they receive as we did talk. And not until we all come to this very full awareness, say not all about myself or my people, now about Nigeria. Until we wake up to put the interest of this nation at first, not be because of my brother, not be because of my sister. If we not come to this awareness, no way when it be say anything will go well for this country, Nigeria. Shey, when it be say it take good for you, you dey run enter Aso Rock, they run come outside. Nobody hear your voice. No Ijaw people hear your voice. Right? Now, when it be say the gate of Aso Rock, they don't shut down against you. Now they cry out, say that they do evil to Ijaw people. You know they speak on behalf of the Delta people now. You know they speak on behalf of the Fulani now. You know they speak on behalf of the Southwesterner now, which is Yorubas now. You know they speak on behalf of the Edolites now. No, na Ijaw people. You are being very, very segregational. You see, na it be our problem. This one on my own. This one on my own. This one on my own. Now wait to put all of us for this mess when it be say we day today. Nigeria is a blessed nation. Very well rich land. When it be say it will feel produce for everyone to eat and be satisfied and be happy. Even from the least to the highest. But because of this sentimentalism, now it bring us, all of us, to our knees. So when it be say, we dey live from our hand to our mouths. Like people when it be say, now beggar, the poorest people on earth. Now so it's supposed to be, you don't want to wake up, you don't want wise. Asari Tokumbo, be wise. Now so talking concerning this matter, we'll leave you to share your own opinion with us on the comment section, even as we draw the line of this very broadcast here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.